Once upon a time, a Korean student in UST is stressed, very stressed. On the verge of dying, he thinks of what he should do to relieve the stress. Should he sleep? Should he go eat some kimchi? Or should he listen to some K-pop? No, he should play games. He takes out his iPad or iPhone and opens up the app 3-in-1. With the app 3-in-1 by your side, not only does this help relieve stress, but it will make you into a more cheerful person and relaxed person. When someone asks you, "Why are you so happy all the time? Can you teach me how?" Just tell them, all you need is to download 3-in-1. It is the best. No matter what time it is, wherever you are, 3-in-1 is always there for you. Just click onto the app and all the pressure and stress is released. The app 3-in-1 consists of 3 mini-games. The first mini-game is called number guessing. As the title suggests, you're going to be guessing numbers from 1 to 100. Yay! However, there'll be a computer-generated opponent. Here's how it goes. You type a number into the space given below. By the way, you have a limited amount of tries. And there will be a hint to show you whether the number is too big or too small. For example, if I type the number 25, and if the number is too small, there will be a hint saying too small. And this will continue until you get the correct number or until your opponent gets the correct number. The second mini game is called stopwatch. Again, there will be a computer-generated opponent, and there's going to be a number in the middle of the screen. Let's say the number is 150. Then you will press start and the timer will start from 0 onwards. Then you press stop when the number is close to 150 and see whether you or your opponent gets the closer number. The final game is called Turtle Run. This is more of a guessing game. There are 3 characters, the bunny, Sonic the Hedgehog, and a tiny turtle. Pick which character you think will win the race, and then press check afterwards. Then the race will start, and you just wait until the results are in. If you pick Sonic, but the rabbit crosses the finish line first, then you lose the game. If you pick the turtle, and the turtle crosses the finish line first, then you win the game. Some improvements that can be made to the app are the complexity of games and the design of the app. The complexity of games can be upgraded to games such as Blackjack or German Bridge, with higher quality and difficulty implemented into the mini-games. The design of the overall app can also be improved, with the implementation of higher quality photos and sound effects. For example, the game Turtle Run. The images of the rabbit, turtle, and Sonic the Hedgehog can be upgraded to a higher quality image alongside with a nice background, and higher quality background music can also be implemented into the game. This is our app 3-in-1, made by 1 Korean and 3 Chinese guys.